Hi, to customize and edit workout list on Amazfit T-Rex free watch, firstly just swipe left to open up list and find workout tab. Now you can go through this list to check all of the options, just like that. As you can see, there are a lot, but you can find even more workouts if you tap here. Or if you want to add new workout, you can tap on plus. Then you can tap on plus again and select category. For example, we can pick dance and choose something from here. So, yep, impressive range of options, even ballet, Zumba, Latin dance, jazz dance. Let's add something from the list. For example, let's add this hip hop dance. For that, I'm gonna press this plus right here. And now we can edit this list. So if you wanna move it up in the list, you can hold it like that. Press and hold and move like this by scrolling down through the list to move it to the first position. And you can do the same with any option from the list. And to delete one, just tap this recycle bin. To save changes, tap this check mark. After that, you'll go back in this edit list, and from here you can reorder those workouts. For example, choose walking. Now you can move it either higher or lower on this page in this list, or you can even delete it. So, and save the changes by pressing check mark. And yep, that's it, how it works. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.